Hi, I'm David O'Dea with O'Dea Schneider PLLC. Today I'm covering Article 92 of the Uniform Code of Military Justice, which is one of the most frequently charged offenses in military justice. Article 92 deals with failure to obey orders or regulations, and it's broken into three main types. The first is a violation of a lawful general order or regulation, things like standing policies on alcohol, relationships, or safety rules. The second is a failure to obey a lawful order, which usually involves a direct, specific instruction given to an individual. The third is a dereliction of duty, which applies when a service member neglects or willfully fails to perform assigned duties. Article 92 is charged often because it's central to maintaining discipline. Military operations depend on orders being followed. So when there's a breakdown, whether through disobedience, neglect, or oversight, Article 92 is often the starting point. But it's also used when other charges might not be available or provable. For example, if there's not enough evidence for some form of misconduct charge, Article 92 may still apply if a regulation or order were clearly violated. At the same time, Article 92 cases can raise question. One is an issue whether the order was lawful. Orders must be tied to military duty and not conflict with higher laws. Another issue is clarity. Was the order communicated clearly? Did the service member understand what was required? For dereliction of duty, there is often debate of whether the conduct was truly willful or just negligent, and whether the standard was realistic under the circumstances. These cases often involve context, the unit, environment, operational tempo, communication practice, and leadership expectations all can play a role in how the charge is evaluated. At the end of the day, as always, each case is fact specific and outcomes can depend heavily on details. Article 92 may seem straightforward on paper, but in practice, it often raises complex questions about authority, intent, and fairness. Thanks for watching, and as always, consult a competent attorney advisor if you run into a situation where you need defense or answers to questions on matters related to this.